Preparing for the NHA CMAA exam? Build your 2026 plan from current verified facts. Start with the current exam facts. The CMAA exam has 135 multiple-choice questions, 110 scored items, and 25 unidentified pretest items. You have 135 minutes. The passing standard is 390 on a 200 to 500 scaled score range, not 78% correct. NHA's 2025 report says 63.24% of 10,848 CMAA examinations passed. The report does not define an attempt category. NHA does not publish one universal public individual price, so the amount in your live NHA account or sponsor quote controls. Plan from the official 7 domain item counts, which total 110 scored questions. Foundational knowledge has 10. Communication and professionalism has 21. Medical law, ethics, and compliance has 17. Scheduling has 16. Patient encounter has 21. Billing and revenue cycle has 11. Medical practice administrative procedures and logistics has 14. Communication and patient encounter are tied for the largest counts at 21 each. Use every official count to allocate study time while remembering that all 7 domains remain testable. Check eligibility before paying. NHA requires a high school diploma or equivalent, or scheduled completion within the next 12 months, plus a qualifying route. The training route requires a recognized medical administrative assistant program, completed within the previous 5 years. The experience route requires the diploma or equivalent, and either 1 year of supervised related work within the previous 3 years, or 2 years within the previous 5 years. Military, apprenticeship, and educator pathways can differ, so confirm your exact route with NHA before registration. Use the current rules for your delivery setting. Since June 1st, 2026, PSI test centers no longer provide paper scratch sheets. They provide a physical whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Live remote proctoring candidates use the exam platform's digital whiteboard with no physical scratch paper. PSI-delivered exams include an embedded 4-function calculator, and personal calculators are prohibited. Institution testing follows different handbook rules, including provided scratch paper. Check your appointment instructions, identification requirements, accommodations, and proctor directions instead of relying on an older checklist. Know the rules after an exam, too. Each unsuccessful attempt requires a new registration and payment, with at least 30 days between attempts. NHA permits 3 attempts to pass. After a 3rd unsuccessful attempt, the wait is 1 year. A CMAA credential is valid for 2 years, and an active holder completes 10 continuing education credits per cycle. July 2026 renewal instructions list $195 for one certification and $65 for each additional certification renewed together. Treat those as listed totals and verify the checkout amounts. For privacy scenarios, avoid oversimplified HIPAA slogans. Minimum necessary generally limits uses, disclosures, and requests for protected health information, but it does not apply to disclosures to or requests by healthcare providers for treatment. Follow facility policy and escalate uncertainty. For career context, use the closest BLS occupation rather than promising CMAA-specific outcomes. BLS reports 850,000 medical secretary and administrative assistant jobs in 2024, a May 2024 median wage of $44,640, and about 85,900 openings per year. Those are occupation-wide figures, not a CMAA salary guarantee. Use these facts to build a focused plan. Then practice the workflows behind every domain. The complete reviewed guide explains the blueprint, eligibility, test day rules, retakes, renewal, and source links. Visit openexamprep.com for the full NHA CMAA guide and free practice questions with explanations. Verify changing policies in your NHA account before you register.